Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics, curiosity and a device. Now act. Pick one language, Python, JavaScript, or Java, and set a single, small project goal to make learning concrete. Once chosen, find 2-3 YouTube channels with structured playlists and subscribe. Add 3 playlists to your watch list so you follow a sequence. Start the first video and code along, pause, type, and repeat. Do one 30-60-minute session daily. Consistency beats intensity and builds real momentum. Once you've completed initial videos, level up by coding the entire tutorial project yourself. Replicate it first, then change one feature to understand the flow. Make use of timestamps, playback speed, and captions to isolate tricky parts. Rewind and recode until it clicks. Next, introduce one automation test or a focused debug session each week to practice thinking like a developer. Regularly read comments for gotchas and pause to write short notes, summarizing why each block of code. To finish, polish, and publish. Push your code to GitHub, add a concise README and screenshots, and mark the repo as a learning milestone. Then share the link in one developer community and ask for feedback. Pose 3 specific questions to get useful replies. If you hit a blocker, isolate the failing part, create a minimal reproducible example, and search exact error text. If that fails, post the example with code and steps. This method shortens debugging and gets you unstuck faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.